Hello guys, and welcome to the White Rabbit Trading Channel. Let's dive in. Not much has happened since the local top formed, but we're now working with a Monday range that has both poor highs and poor lows, meaning both extremes are in play as potential targets. However, my primary focus remains on retesting the high first. The low only becomes interesting if we see support break down. Right now, I'm watching two key scenarios unfold. First, if price pulls back to our local point of interest, I'll be looking for potential setups there. A failure at this zone could lead us down to test Monday's low or even previous support levels. On the upside, Monday's high stands out as a potential SFP target. What's crucial here is observing how price behaves. If it holds this level without breaking structure, we could see a push toward new all-time highs or beyond. When it comes to short opportunities, I want to emphasize that I'm not interested in blindly shorting just because we're at resistance. I need to see either a clear structural setup or one of my strategy triggers. A potential SFP trade could offer an attractive risk-reward with tight invalidation, but only if we get that clean, sharp rejection. If price starts chopping around the level, the setup loses its appeal and a local stop becomes problematic. The alternative approach would be waiting for a structural break confirmation, though this comes with the drawback of potentially wider drawdowns since we can't predict how deep the break might run. At this moment, I'm maintaining a neutral bias with no active short positions. My attention is firmly on two things: how price reacts when it approaches Monday's high for that potential SFP play, and if that fails, whether we'll see a continuation toward ADH, which statistically remains within the realm of possibility based on average gain for today. For long opportunities, I'm keeping a close eye on local support levels and Monday's low. But just like with shorts, I'm not jumping in blindly. I need to see clear evidence of demand, whether that's through a structural bounce, bullish reversal patterns, or absorption signals. My invalidation point is straightforward: a clean break below Monday's low would completely negate the long thesis. And if price starts oscillating weakly around support without any real momentum, that's my cue to stay on the sidelines and wait for better confirmation. The key takeaway here is patience and selectivity. The market will show its hand soon enough. Our job is to watch these levels and wait for proper structure to develop, and only then consider taking trades with clearly defined risk parameters. Let's stay disciplined and only play the high probability setups when they emerge. I'll be monitoring these developments closely and adjusting my approach as new information comes to light. In the end, I want to mention that I now have a Patreon page, and you're welcome to join. As mentioned, there isn't much learning material available yet, but here's what you'll get: early access to chart updates, exclusive routines, and structured trading content. Right now, it's still a quiet start. I'm slowly preparing and uploading content. But while everything is being built, you'll already get, every morning 5 to 6 times a week, I stream my chart sessions live. You'll see exactly how I mark my levels, spot structure changes. Get ready for the trading day. Some days it's quick, just updating a few levels. Other times I'll dive deep into stats or review multiple charts. The whole thing runs with chill music in the background, no talking, just my actual workflow. You can ask questions in the Patreon chat too. As for now, we don't have a Discord place for the subs. Coming soon, I'll be adding full educational guides on market structure, tutorials for building your own stats tracker, breakdowns of my real trades, occasional trade alerts from my main strategy. Right now it's simple, just me doing my normal prep but with you watching. If that sounds interesting, check it out. Thanks for the support. That's all for this update. As always, stay safe and I'll see you in the next one.